Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Bittrex account security, beginner guide step by step clearly. To reset your Bittrex account security, begin by logging into your account. Navigate to the account settings by clicking on your profile icon. From there, select the security tab on the left side of the screen. You'll see various security options, including two-factor authentication. If you're looking to reset your two-factor authentication, click on Reset Two-Factor Author. You will be prompted to enter your password for confirmation. Once confirmed, you will receive a verification code via your registered email. Check your email and retrieve the code. Return to the Bittrex security page and enter the verification code. After entering the code, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your new two-factor authentication method. For increased security, consider using an authentication app like Google Authenticator or Authy. Once your new two-factor authentication is set, ensure you save the backup codes provided. If you are seeking to change your password, go back to the Security tab. Select Change Password and enter your current password. Then, input your new password in the provided fields. Follow the password requirements carefully to ensure a successful change. After changing your password, consider enabling additional security measures if they are not already activated. This may include email notifications for account activities or withdrawal requests. Review all security settings to ensure your account is protected. Finally, log out of your account and log back in to confirm that your security settings have been updated successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.